Continuing tonight's Military Matters, a military base race is underway between Russia and the U.S. as each nation wants to expand its presence in Syria.
For more on what this means for U.S. forces, let's bring in our military analyst, retired Colonel Ben Danner. Thank you for being with us.
Always a pleasure.
All right, so what is the point of putting bases in Syria? What will end up going on there?
Well, Syria is in a strategic location, so for thousands of years it has been the gateway to both the Middle East and to the Gulf. And Russia knows this. And Russia actually jumped on the opportunity a couple of years ago and already has a naval base and an air base in Syria sanctioned by the Syrian government. For the U.S., we have a military presence in several locations within Syria, and what we're looking to do then is just kind of beef those up now.
Okay, so you've got two superpowers, U.S. and Russia. If one of them gets a base there first, how is that going to benefit them?
Yeah, well, for the Russians, it's about increasing their influence in the region, something that they've always wanted to do and have been actively pursuing for the last few years. And in fact, because of the unrest in the region and the Syrian civil war, they were able to essentially partner with Assad and get these two bases built. For the U.S., certainly we have strategic goals in mind, but we also have two operational objectives in the places we're trying to beef up. Specifically in the north, we're taking over and have taken over for some time an old Syrian air base where special forces from the U.S. routinely train Kurdish fighters. Down in the south then, along the Syria-Iraq-Jordan border, we've also had a presence, but we're looking to beef that up because it's a major crossroads, and if you can control that, then you can influence the crossing there.
All right, Colonel Danner, we appreciate your time and your insight, sir.
Thank you, Doug and Leslie.